Hello my friends, and welcome to my living room. I have been a salty little kitty lately, and by that I mean that I have been getting so caught up in my emotional body that it's completely thrown me off track. And with that being said, I haven't played music in like a week or something, and I've just been in my salty little space being like, you know, it's really hard when you're just like consciously aware of your spirituality and why you're here and where you came from and what you really are at your core and what your soul is, which is like unconditional divine love in the purest form. But then you're also human and you're just like experiencing so many things so intensely that you're just like, okay. I think there's this really weird idea that when you're in touch with your spirituality, all of a sudden you're just this like super positive person who loves life and is grateful for everything and is happy all the time, or just like if they're not happy all the time, at least they're doing well and they're like XYZ. No. Being aware of who you are, where you came from, and why you're here doesn't automatically just void you out from feeling things really intensely. Maybe I do share too much. However, I really appreciate transparency, and I just know that when I've seen some videos of people being raw and real about their feelings and not just showing the highlight reels, that I've always seen that video at a time where I needed it, and I was just like, damn, that really helped me out. So with that being said, you might be curious, what do I have for you today? Well, honestly, I don't really know. I just know that, dudes, we cause so much self-inflicting suffering upon ourselves when it could just be so simple. Like, humans like to complicate things. I feel like I just got a cut. I don't even know how that just happened. Anyways, humans, we just complicate life, and things can be so simple, not necessarily easy, but simple, and we just like to get up all in there and, you know, get our mind in it and make ourselves believe things that like aren't even true. If any of you guys relate, I see you. If you don't relate, still see you. But yeah, so that's just me being like, hey guys, I've been like pretty salty. However, I can see truth and love in situations. What's the point? Well, hey, what's up? I maybe want to see what comes from my heart, because whenever I'm feeling feelings and then I just like come through the other side, I'm just like, oh, okay, girls gotta sing.
Just a reminder of where you came from and what you're needed for here, where you came from. You are made in a perfect image. I know that it can be easy to question these things sometimes. Yeah, I know that it can be easy to question these things sometimes. Well, baby, hold on tight. This is your journey. This is your journey, your journey, your journey. Hold on tight. This is your journey and you're doing well. And I'm so proud of you. And at the times we got caught up in the little things in life, and we think, oh my God, how can I go on? Hold your head high, hold your head high. I know the twists and turns can get you when you feel like you've been burning. You want to give up, you don't want to fight no more for the things that you care about, for the people you care about. Hold on tight, don't let go, don't let yourself be lost at sea. Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go, don't let go. Hey, 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 I'm only here to remind you. I'm only here to remind you that you are loved, you are worthy exactly as you are, regardless of your past and where you got those scars. You are loved, you are loved, you are loved, oh, you are loved, you are loved, you are loved. No matter your past or where your scars came from, you are worthy exactly as you are. Don't be too hard on yourself, cause you're not like somebody else. No, baby, this is for you, just you. Yeah, you, this is a journey just for you. Yes, you, only you. Bring your eyes back to yourself. Don't worry about no one else. I know it can be hard. I know it's easier said than done. But baby, come back, come back, come back. Come back. Come back to what you may think. Come back to love. God, it's exhausting being angry, you know? Even if life gives you reasons to be angry, just try your best to turn it around and look at the silver lining no matter how fucking ugly it is, because deep down there is a reason that this is being presented to you on your path at this particular moment, whatever moment that may be. This is timeless, an opportunity for us to grow. The universe is just waiting for us to be humble enough to accept the invitation. Scream into a fucking pillow if you have to, but accept the invitation. Literally just stopped filming, turned around. Hello, angels were with us, my friends. I mean, they always are, but you know, there's some confirmation for you. The timing of angel numbers never ceases to make me just for a moment, you know. If you know, you know. If not, tune in, my friends. Angel numbers. When you see doubles or triplets. When you see double or triples of numbers and you're starting to see them consistently, they are messages from your angels trying to connect with you. So maybe you should look into it if that's the case. Just saying, not a coincidence. Nothing's a coincidence. Okay, bye. See you later. Subscribe.